Hi, welcome to Info Magazine's channel. Do you want to learn how to make your dick grow? If your answer is yes, then you need to keep watching this video until the end. Most men worldwide dream about having a bigger penis size. Here I will explain how to make your dick grow bigger and wider naturally. It's easier and cheaper than you think. There are a lot of ways to make your penis bigger in size, however before I discuss the most popular methods with you, you have to know the secret to a bigger dick size. The key to becoming longer and wider is blood flow. An increase in blood flow results in a much bigger erection, and also an increase in blood vessel size. The best enhancement results are achieved through methods that increase blood flow to and through the dick. Here are most popular methods. The pump, this one is fairly simple. It is a chamber that one places his penis into. The pump forms an airtight seal at the base of your shaft. By forming this seal, the pump then acts as a vacuum, which then acts to increase the blood flow in the penis. This will make your erections harder and larger. The stretcher, this is a metal device which sits on the base of your shaft, and is then tied to the head. The key with a stretcher like one of these is to start off slow. You don't want to start off too fast because you run the risk of damaging your dick. Now that you know to ease into it, the rest is fairly simple. This device must be worn 6 to 8 hours a day, and you must slowly increase the length of your dick. You should see results a little bit slower with the stretcher, however the male enlargement seen with this product will last much longer. Penis pills, I'm sure you have seen the commercials for various products. These male supplements contain minerals and vitamins that increase the blood flow in your body. The increased blood flow throughout your body also means more blood for your little feller down there. The increased blood flow acts very similar compared to the pump listed above. Male enhancement exercises, this is by far my favorite exercise in the whole bunch. These exercises act to stretch out the tissue in your genitals. By stretching out the tissue and ligaments you will see permanent gains in your size, and you can do it safely. These various exercises however have been kept very much out of the public spotlight, and this is the main reason why very few have ever heard about them before. There are many steps on how to make your dick grow. If you are interested in learning more about increasing the size of your dick fast, then you need to visit the link below on description. www.infomagazines.com/health-and-fitness/men-health/how-to-make-your-dick-grow-easily/. Thank you for watching. And please, don't forget, subscribe and like and share.